Hello guys! Hello YouTube! Kumusta na kayo? So ito, another video for you again. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung details nung this time. May iba naman tayo. Dati puro sapatos, t-shirt, merong jacket. So this time, ibahin naman natin. Ipapakita naman ako ng mobile device. So anong mobile device to? Siyempre, ang Huawei Y9 2019. Ayan guys, so seal na seal pa yan ha. Binili ko sa Jarir Bookstore. Kasi yan, pa binubuksan tayo. Papakita ko sa inyo. Huawei Y9 2019. So makikita nyo yung details nitong mobile na to. Pero syempre, bago kumpisahan, don't forget to subscribe. Paki-like yung video, paki-share na rin. Tapos kung may comment kayo, comment lang kayo below. So, umpisahan na natin. Okay? We're going to unbox this Huawei Y9, also known as Enjoy 9 Plus in China. I bought from Jarir Bookstore. Original price was 949. There is a discount of 50 riyals, so I got it for 899. Let's open this. It's actually sealed, plastic sealed. We'll open this plastic. So this is the box, okay, and you'll see the details. It's okay, Huawei Y9 2019. Huawei Y9 2019. It's actually totally sealed on both sides. So let's open. The details is actually here. That's the details. Actually, this was announced to October 2018 and was released also in the same month, October 2018. The box, let's open it. So what comes with the box is of course, the mobile phone, Huawei Y9 2019. Okay, there is inside here is the pin to unlock for the SIM card and the memory card. Say of course this manual in English, France, Indonesia, Malaysia, Portuguese, and of course Arabic is there. This is the manual. This package comes with free protector. This is the protector, silicone type clear protector, so it fits in the mobile phone itself. It also comes with a screen protector. It's not tempered glass. It's not tempered glass. Okay. The USB charger, micro USB 2.0 charger, plus the plug quick charger. Comes with a box, and the rest headset, of course. This is the headset. It's all in the package. Details of the mobile. This is the mobile. This mobile again announced in 2018 October, released in 2018. So the dimension is 162.4 by 77.1 by 8.1 millimeter. So the size 173 grams. This comes with dual SIM, Nano-SIM. Display is IPS LCD, meaning in-plane switching liquid crystal display. IPS LCD. Touchscreen, 16M colors. So the size is 6.5 inches or 103.7 cm. Resolution is 1080 by 2340 pixels.
I wish I didn't take life so seriously. I wish I didn't take life so seriously. wish I didn't take life so seriously. I wish I lived more. I wish I gave more happiness to my family.
The multi-touch, remove the cover here. Also at the back there is a protector. So let's open power button. The memory card slot actually is a microSD up to 400 GB. The internal memory, what I have is, there is a 128 GB and 64 GB. This one is a 64 GB with 4 GB RAM. So it is setting up. Get started. Next. No SIM card. Let's skip for the meantime. Wi-Fi, yes. Let's connect to the Wi-Fi. Password. Connected. Then next. Checking for updates. The platform is Android 8.1, which is Oreo. Chipset Hisilicon Kirin 710 by Hisilicon. The CPU is Octa-core 4 by 2.2 GHz. 64 GB comes with the 4 GB RAM. CPU, the Mali-G51 MP4. Best energy efficiency. Okay. So this is the mobile actually, how fast it is. The Oreo. So this is the mobile, very nice color. The color is midnight black. Okay. Glossy finish for security. Rear mounted fingerprint. Micro USB is there. That's the speaker. So that's this is the jack for the headphone, for the charging, and the speaker.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are.
On the other side, there is the power button, volume control. On top, you can see these the two cameras are there. The selfie camera is dual 13 megapixel plus and the 2 megapixel front camera. Try to open the slot for this memory card and SIM card. So this is the pin to remove this to open this slot for the SIM card and memory card. Push automatically. The slots chamber will come out. There are 3 slots for SIM card and the memory card. So that's in one chamber. You're going to return it like push. That's a non-removable battery. Lithium ion 4000 mAh battery or battery life. I think power use like 8 to 12 hours. The back is dual also, 16 megapixel camera and the 2 megapixel camera. Choose very nice piece, handy, to handle. Worth it for 900 real. So it's around 899 by 14.2. That's around 12,766 in peso. Huawei Y9 2019. Okay, the size is almost the same as Huawei 8X, which was released in September 2018 also. 50 megapixel back camera and 16 megapixel front camera for Huawei Honor 8X. So I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any comment, please comment below. Thank you guys. I'll see you on my next video.